Good morning student, welcome in maths class again. We continue our chapter number 4. In chapter number 4 today we do our important terms. Recap exercise we have done already. So before you are starting your exercise number 4.1, some important terms is there which I am explaining in today class. So first is point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting line, curved line, horizontal line, vertical line, that I will explain you in today maths class. So first is point. What is the point? A point is represented by a dot. It is named with capital letter. A point is represented by a dot. Clear? This dot. We make this with the sharp tip of your pencil, pen. Clear? It is so small in size. Clear? So a point is represented by a dot. It is so small in size. Clear? A point can be made with the tip of your pencil. So we can give the name of this one with the help of your capital English capital alphabet letters. Point A, point B, point C, point Z, point X, point Y, point L, point M, point S, point, here is N, point O. Clear? So this is about your point. A point is represented by a dot which you make with the tip of your pencil. Clear? And we can give the name of this one with the help of your English alphabetic letter. Like how we read it: point A, point B, point C, point Z, point X, point Y, point S, point M, point L, point O and point N. It is so small in size, it has no length and no breadth. This is all about your point. Now the second is straight line, or you can say that line. How we explain about the line? A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. It means a line is a straight path which go on both directions forever in both directions. Clear all of you? It has no and point. A line has no and point, and we cannot measure the line also. Clear? It has no definite length, so we cannot measure it. Clear all of you? In other way, we can say that it move in both direction continue. It move in both direction. Clear? I am giving the name here A and this is B. Clear? So this one is continue moving there in this direction, and this is also moving in continuing this direction forever. A line is a straight path. It is a straight path, clear, that goes on forever in both direction. Clear all of you? It is moving in both direction continue. Now here is one point regarding it. A line do not have definite length. Clear? A line do not have a definite length, or we can say that we cannot measure it. Clear all of you? It has no end point. It has no end point. Okay? And we cannot measure is it. Why we cannot measure it? Because it don't have the definite length. Continue moving in both directions. Clear all of you? So it has no end point. We cannot measure it. We give the name of this one line, we can give the name here line AB. It is line AB. Clear? Or we write like this with the symbol AB. We call it line AB. Clear all of you? Now regarding it, I am writing here it is A and B. Now here this one X and Y, P and Q. Clear? Here this line is XY and this is PQ. So this line is called, this one is called your vertical line. This is called the vertical line and this is called the your horizontal line. Clear? Here PQ, this one. Here PQ is a horizontal line. Clear? It is a horizontal line. And this one XY is a vertical line. Clear? I am telling you here about the line. A line is a straight path which is moving in both direction endlessly. Clear? Without any definite length, moving in both direction. This is also the line, this is the line, this is also the line. This is called the your vertical line, and PQ, that is your called horizontal line. Clear all of you? So this is all about your line. It don't have the no end point, and you can say that a line has no end point. It is moving in both direction. We cannot measure it.
Start.
Now the line segment. A straight line between 2 points is called a line segment. It means, or you can say that a line segment is a path between 2 points. Here I am taking 2 points, point P and point Q. Clear? This is the path which are connecting these 2 points. Clear? P and Q. This is the point Q and here is P. Clear? So a straight line between 2 points is called line segment, or you can say that a line segment is a path between 2 points. Clear? Here how we read it? We read this line segment PQ. Here PQ, or how we write PQ like that. Clear? So a straight line between 2 points is called a line segment. Now here first is we can measure it. Clear? It has, first is it has a definite length. It has a definite length. Clear? It has a definite length, so we can measure it. So we can measure it. How? For example, this is the line segment A and B. Clear? Here I am taking 2 points. Clear? And when we meet both these points, this is the line segment. Clear, beta? So we can measure this one. We can measure this straight line. This line segment we can measure it like 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, like that. So a line segment has a definite length. We can measure it with the help of your ruler. Clear? Now the fourth is ray. A ray is a straight path that goes forever in one direction. Clear? That is the ray. It is a straight path. That is also the straight. Clear? It is a straight path that goes forever only in one direction. It is moving in one direction. Here is N. It is moving here in one direction. Arrow. This is arrowhead. It is moving only in one direction. That is N. Here Mn is a ray. It has one arrowhead. Clear? To show that it can be made longer from the side N. Clear? It is moving here. Continue. It is moving there. Clear? This arrowhead moving this side. N side. It is. We can make it longer. Clear? So a ray is a straight path that goes forever in moving in the one direction. This is the initial point. It is starting from there and it is moving in this side. Clear? Continue. It is moving there in N side. There is the point is N. It is moving from M to N here. Mn is a ray. It has one arrowhead that to show it can be made more longer from the side of N. Clear? Now here first is point is there. It has only one end point. Clear? It has only one end point. And second is here. That is M. Here M is a initial point here. Clear? Here M is the initial point and it is moving. The point here is M. Continue. Clear all of you? It has only one end point. Here M is, we call it the initial point here. Okay? And we call it the ray M N. We can write it like that also. M N and there the symbol, or you can say that ray M N. Clear all of you? This is all about your ray. Now the next is intersecting line. Two or more lines intersect to each other at a point, or we can say that when two or more lines crossing each other at a point, that is your intersecting line. How? See. It is A and B. The line is A, B. Now I am taking here the next line, that is P and you can say that Q. Clear? Line A, B and P and Q. Both are crossing to each other. They are crossing, they are intersecting, or you can say that they are crossing to each other. So these are called intersecting line. Here the point where they are crossing to each other, it is O. Clear? For example, we are giving the name here O. This one. Clear? So here first line there is AB, line AB, and second is PQ. Clear? These are the two lines which are crossing to each other. So these lines are called intersecting line. Okay? And here point P is intersecting point here. Point O, you can say that here point O is intersecting point. Clear all of you? This is all about intersecting line. Two or more lines which are crossing to each other at a point. Clear? So these two lines are called intersecting line, and the point where they are crossing, जिस point पर वो cross कर रही है. Clear? That is, I am giving the name here O. This is called your intersecting point here. O is the intersecting point. AB and PQ are called your intersecting line beta. That is the intersecting line. The next is parallel line. Clear? When two lines both in same plane that never intersect are called parallel lines. It means where the two lines in moving in same direction and the distance of between are same. Clear? And they are not intersecting to each other. We know na there are also the two lines, but they are intersecting to each other. They are called intersecting line. But here when two are moving in same directions, the distance between them are same. They are moving like this. Clear? And the distance between them always be same, like that. Clear? The distance between them same. So two lines both are in same plane that never intersect. They are never intersect. It means they are not crossing to each other anywhere. Clear? That are called parallel line. They are moving continue like this. The distance between them always same. Clear? Like here, for example, this distance is 2 centimeters, so it is also here the 2 centimeter. Clear, all of you? So this is the intersecting line. These are the parallel line which are not intersecting to each other and have the same distance between them. दोनों के बीच same distance and they are not crossing to each other. That are called your parallel lines. Next is curved line. Zigzag lines are your curved line. It means you can say that the line which are moving like that, or in Hindi you can say that the curved line means mudi hui, ghumi hui. According to you as you like, you can draw it. For example, this one. Clear? That one. This one. All are, you can say that the curve. They are not straight now. They are not. This is the straight, but they are not straight. They are like zigzag. According to you as you like, you can make this one. Clear? Curve. Mudi hui, ghumi hui. In Hindi you can say that this is the straight and these are the curved line. Clear? Without your scale you can make this one colorful, any type as you like, you can draw it. So these are called the curved line. So student, this is all about your important terms. Before starting your exercise, firstly you do all these 7 important terms in your notebook, and after that we will start our exercise number 4.1. So again I am repeating here about the point, line, line segment, curved line, parallel line, intersecting line. Clear? I am revising here. Clear? First is point. What is the point? A point with the help of your tip of your pencil. Clear? We make this one and we give the name of it like X, Y, Z. This one. You make like this. P, Q, L. Clear? This is the point. It has so small, or you can say that no size. Clear? The next one is your line. The next one was the line. A line don't have a definite length. We cannot measure it. It is moving in both directions. It is moving in, for example, A and B. Clear? It is moving in your both direction continue. Clear? We cannot measure it. Clear? It don't have it. You can say that it has no end point. We cannot measure it. Clear? And it is moving. The arrowhead moving in the both the directions. Clear? That is the line. The next is line segment. A and B. A and B. You take any 2 point, okay? And when we moving this path, that is your line segment. That is the line segment. When you join these points, clear? line segment A and B, or you can write like this. This is also the line segment AB. We write it like that with the symbol line AB, line segment AB. Now we can measure the line segment with the help of the ruler. We can measure it. It has a definite length. Clear? We can measure it. It has a definite length. It has 2 end points. But we cannot measure it. It has no definite length. Clear? And it don't have the no end point. This is about your line and line segment. The next one was here ray. Clear? The next is ray, like M and N. It has here only one end point as a M. Clear? In a ray, this is the ray. Clear? Ray, M, N, or we write with the symbol here M, N. It has only one end point here as M. Here M is the initial point here, and it is moving only in one direction. Clear? This arrowhead, it is moving like N, so it is moving only in one direction. It has only one end point, and there is M is there, the one initial point here. The next one is point, line, line segment, ray, then parallel line. Clear? These are the parallel line. They are moving in this direction, or you can say this direction, but the distance between these are always same. Clear? These are called your parallel line. Clear? They are not intersecting anywhere. Clear? Or you can say that they are not crossing to each other anywhere. These are the parallel lines. Now the intersecting lines. These are the intersecting line. Intersecting lines means when they are crossing to each other, when two or more than two lines are crossing to each other at a particular point. That is the you can say that intersecting line. Here AB and CD both are intersecting line, and here is the point O. This point O is the intersecting point. Okay, this is the